Man, I ain't had my car washed in forever. My baby's back. No more regular civilian J. Y'all seen I was in the regular civilian car in my last vlog. But I got my baby back, you feel me? The cops thought they had me. The cops thought they had my car going. I had to go get my shit right. I got my seats clean. Oh my God, we looking good. This shit so clean, y'all like it's wet. Look at this shit. Oh, my plate. I see my plate. Don't try to do nothing with my plate. I don't know what y'all can do with that, but don't go hunting me down or nothing. Don't hunt me down, but we looking good. Yeah. We back in the Vediani. Rims clean, all that shit. Yeah. We got the baby back. All right, y'all. No more regular civilian J. I'm out of here. Yup. So I missed Christmas dinner in Philly, and my mom, she decided to come all the way to Miami and made me my own Christmas dinner. Got some barbecue chicken. Got some macaroni. We got some yams. That's my favorite, y'all. I like mixing the macaroni with the yams. That's my favorite. And we got some chicken wings. Where the wings at, Mom? We got some chicken wings. Oh my God. Where your ring at? You see your ring off?
No, it was turned on.
You married, y'all, so leave her alone. And what's that, salmon over there, Mom?
Salmon, I'm packing it up.
And she made me some salmon, too. Hey, Mom.
No, I look crazy. Get off me.
No, I just had to give you a kiss for the vibe. You know I appreciate it. I just had to turn the vibe on and shit, y'all. But I'm about to be out of here. I got me some good food to eat. I see y'all in the next clip. Yup. Yeah. Mukbang. Mukbang. What you did?
I can't even remember. It took so long.
Like an hour.
I think I split like Parmesan.
Man, we got all these boxes and shit. What's that? My shit.
Oh, I got the loaded fry.
Show them that looking.
The voodoo fries.
Damn. Oh, you got tilted more. I didn't even see it.
Oh, y'all did?
Oh my God, that shit was good. Is that yours? Oh, it's mine. Oh, that's yours.
Really nice.
Mine right here.
Wings looking a little dry.
Yeah, she got the half parm, half mild. You got some blue cheese or something? Ranch? I think this ranch. You want pork?
Yes.
There you go, yeah. Got you. Brown and shit. Yeah. Now it's time to eat good. Yeah. Hold on, give me a chair.
My stomach, like the ice melted like on. It don't even taste good.
Let's see if I'm seeable right there. I should be. I should be seeable.
You got some of my fries.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna try that for sure. For sure.
You like ranch?
Yeah. Yeah, I like ranch. Ah, shit.
Okay.
Yeah. Mukbang. You got me a paper towel?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, wow, you so nice.
I know.
Wowzers.
You're nice too. You paid for the food.
I'm gonna be nice. Gotta pay for the food, you know what I'm saying? I'm a man. Look at that. I got the half mild, the half barbecue. You know what I'm saying? I don't waste no time on my food.
Wings is like the messiest food to choose for a mukbang.
No, it is for real. Damn, I'm gonna catch up on no, that's what I do. Yeah.
You gotta pray.
I'm grateful for food. Thank you God for the food. Amen.
Amen.
Yeah. I got me some blue cheese action. And some Sprite action. Open that up.
And the ice melted into it.
It's watered down.
Mm-hmm.
What you get?
Coke. Water down.
No, my shit good.
Cause they put yours in a styrofoam. They
Yeah,
gave
my
me
shit
a.
good. Try these fries. I already know.
They should like work on mixing it better in it. Cause once you eat like the first
Yeah,
one
it's
on
only
the
on the
top,
top.
you're done. It's
They
just
hate
regular.
it. Look at that. Look at that fries. Yeah.
You be eating the bones?
No, you do that? I don't eat the bone. That shit too crunchy. I'm getting to these wings. I'm wasting time. I'm getting to these wings, y'all. What am I doing? What am I doing? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Which one you like better, drums or flats?
I ain't even picky for real.
I like flats.
Ain't that the one that's most popular, flats?
Hmm?
Ain't that the one that's most popular?
Hmm?
Ain't that the one that like everybody get? It be flats, right? Or it be wings?
This one's a drum. That's a drum.
Why you do all flats? You already got that option.
This is a flat. Cause
You like both?
yeah.
Mm-hmm. Give y'all some of this barbecue wing action. Let y'all know how this tastes. That mild was good. Give y'all some of this barbecue action. Yeah. That barbecue yarn right there.
They did have the one barbecue?
I ain't had the one I wanted, but they had a different one like this had picture. They had this new shit at Wingstop I wanted y'all. It was this Carolina barbecue. They took that shit right off the menu. I was like, the fuck? I had that shit in there for like a month or 2 months. So what you want to do today?
Oh, we want to do something?
What you want to do?
What you want to do? Anything besides sitting here? I don't watch this man sleep for the past 8 hours.
I'm at the gym. Let's go later on.
It's 4 o'clock. We eating our first meal at 4:30.
She been up all day, having to sleep all day.
I was contemplating going to get my own food, but then I was like, how am I gonna get back up? And then if I'm stuck downstairs, I'm
Yeah, I was gonna be asleep.
even more mad.
You got some of this flat action. You got some of this flat mild action. You got some of that.
Clean it in one bite.
I can't do that.
Why?
I can't do
Because of
that.
how it's gonna look.
That's gonna be a pause moment.
They gonna be like, how you know how to do that?
you the wing.
You done?
Put some ketchup action on my fries. Ketchup Iani.
How do you do that?
What?
Say Iani or that.
Iani?
Iani.
I made that up.
Why?
Because you gotta make up your own language sometimes.
But like, where'd it come from?
Cause I used to drink Henny, and I would be like, I'm drinking the Henny Iani, and then I just start saying that shit for everything. It's fucking ketchup.
You good? Damn.
Hating shit, y'all. Like, come on, now they want to give me this fucking nut ass ketchup. Look, I'm just only barely on my shit though. That shit mainly on the drum, you see?
Want me to clean up for you?
No, I got it. Hating ass Wingstop.
I don't like the spice stick ones. You did that blue chip challenge?
The hot one?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I want to see you try that.
Ooh, no, you don't want to see that.
I do want to see
hurt.
that. I feel like yours would be so funny.
That's gonna hurt, man.
What you keep doing, spitting?
Mm-hmm. And get our dip to the side. Come back.
Alright.
Yeah, it's in the barbecue wing action. Yeah.
I'm getting full.
No, me too. Do it.
You finished?
Almost. You got some of this fry action. Fuck that ketchup. Look at it.
Yeah, we should have got sushi.
What you was gonna get from me?
Hmm?
What you was gonna get?
Sushi roll? Duh. Fried rice?
No, that sounds good. Woo! So you from Fort Lauderdale?
I'm from Miami.
Oh, you from Miami? You from Fort?
I was born in Kendall.
What's that out here?
Yeah, it's like deep. Kind of like Highland type shit.
It's far from there? Or no?
Yeah, like an hour from here. But I was raised like in Broward. Which one you like better?
What?
Fort Lauderdale Miami or Orlando?
Miami or Orlando? I like Orlando better.
Really? Why?
Miami too high pace, too fast out here.
You don't even be going nowhere.
No, I used to though. Like I was going out like my first 2 months here. I was out every fucking night, and I'm like, man, what the fuck am I doing? Shit's too high pace over there. I had to calm the fuck down. So I ain't keeping up with these Miamians. What am I doing? I had to calm down, realize what I am.
The girls like in Miami, that's what they be doing. Like it's like their routine.
What,
Like,
the going out and shit?
yeah, it's like every Friday they be doing the same thing. Every single weekend, the same clubs, the same restaurants. Like, that is a Miami thing.
I can't do that. I can't deal with that.
Yeah, me neither. It gets boring after a while.
Mm-hmm.
You know, ever since I turned 21, I've only went clubbing like 3 times.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm surprised too, because your birthday in the summer.
Yeah. Well, look where I spent my 21st birthday, at some lame person's house at one time.
No, we had fun. We got lit. She spent her 21st birthday with me, y'all. We got lit.
We did not.
We got turned off the casa, amigos.
We were supposed to go out.
Oh yeah, we was supposed to go out.
Yeah, we were supposed to go out, and then everybody got too drunk before we even made it out. So
Oh yeah.
we stayed in.
Yeah, we pre-gamed too hard. We got some of this last wing action I'm done.
You ain't even give me nothing for my birthday. I just realized that.
I ain't give you nothing?
No.
Damn. You ain't give me nothing for my birthday.
We weren't talking. I still texted you too.
Oh yeah, you did. I appreciate that.
Yeah. Mad annoying. Still sent a text.
You still fuck with Balenciaga?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
I love Balenciaga.
Got them motherfuckers on my feet right now. I got Balenciaga on my feet right now, yo.
Mine, I had to
Fuck
do.
out of here. I ain't burning shit. I ain't throwing shit away. All that damn money I spent on Balenciaga. Before that bullshit happened. I just bought me a Balenciaga jacket right before that shit happened. Y'all think I'm gonna throw that shit away? What? You stupid?
I feel like it was a publicity stunt.
I know damn well whatever it was, I'm keeping my shit. Like that, I love Balenciaga.
I had to throw away mine though because
You ain't like your shit? Your food?
it was straight. It did the job.
You like the mild better than the Parmesan?
Yeah.
I don't never get Parmesan. I
Well,
don't know why you got that.
sometimes restaurants they be like making it really buttery and nice, but they just made it very cheesy. What's your favorite? If you could only eat one thing, what would it be?
If I can only eat one thing,
Yeah.
oh, that's hard. Right, pussy.
You don't even eat pussy.
You don't know what I do.
You don't even eat pussy.
That's what it would be though. If I had to choose one thing, that's about, I'd probably give me some vitamins there, all that shit, you feel me?
You're gonna starve yourself
Mm-hmm.
because you don't even.
All the nutrients right there.
No, you don't have to starve yourself because you don't even do that shit. Mine would be probably like salmon and rice.
No, that's good. I like white rice too. Like motherfucker, white rice so fucking good.
No,
You don't like white rice?
I do, but yellow rice.
Yellow.
Yeah.
Oh no. Yeah, that was good, y'all. That was a Wingstop mukbang. You know what I'm saying? It was cool, smooth. I still got me some shit left for later.
Let's see if I eat that maybe.
You're not gonna eat it? Shit, you don't eat, I eat that shit.
You can eat it. There's
You
like,
don't touch it.
I really ate the majority of it. There's like 2 wings left. I got like a smaller one. So what should we do now?
Whatever you want to do.
Should we go to the room for a little?
It's up to the room.
Mm-hmm.
It's up to you. It's up to you. 'Cause
Yeah, you wanna go to the room?
Yeah, we go to the room. For sure.
We gotta cut the cameras off and stuff.
You got the cameras off?
Yeah,
Okay.
cause I got something I wanna show you.
Alright, bet.
You want me to show them too? Or just for you?
You can give them a sneak peek.
A sneak
If
peek?
you want, yeah, you can give them a sneak peek.
I wanna show him what I just got.
I'm pretty sure they want to see too. Oh shit.
What you said you want, your favorite thing is you wanna eat?
So pussy.
Yeah, let's do that real
Kitty
quick.
cat.
Let's do that real quick.
Kitty cat.
Let's do that real quick.
Oh shit.
Come on.
I gotta go, y'all.
Hurry, quick.
I gotta go. Mm-hmm.
Sometimes